the solar cannon!
Captain, I'm detecting wide-spectrum anti-thermian readings from within one of these silos.
Well, I'll be danged if I know which one.
Great. How do we find it before Rhesus without getting ourselves blasted into monkey chow?
Hey, is it getting hot, or is it just me?
Interesting.
What is interesting, Gore?
The imminent pseudo-solar explosion about to occur within this silo. The increasing temperature should have already...
Explosion?
Thanks for the early warning, big guy.
What are you moping about? Gore saved our cotton-picking hides.
Indeed. But was that what he was concerned with?
I'll find that anti-thermian soon enough. It's just mind over matter. Ooh, that was a good one.
Why is he destroying the storage silos?
A mystery, Captain. Rhesus obviously knows one of them contains the anti-thermian. His actions are illogical.
Not at all. It is quite ingenious, actually. Anti-thermian absorbs solar energy. Ipso facto, whichever silo does not explode contains the anti-thermian.
Of course. Any fool could see that.
I had no idea.
This is a waste of brain power. Leviathan, widen the beam to full range.
Hey, ipso facto, which one of those two silos is going to blow?
An intriguing mathematical problem.
Mathematical problem? Gore, lives are at stake.
Here goes nothing.
Cap, wait. I know what to do. Eeny, meeny, miny.
Check, it's Mo.
Excellent. Anti-thermian located. Let's see Captain Zippy try to stop Leviathan.
We can't stop that thing. I say we grab the anti-thermian and run.
Captain, the turtle does not risk carrying its eggs across the crocodile's back.
Exactly, Want to run that one by me again?
Let us blow this sucker up.
I like it. Just one thing. How?
A simple matter, Captain, but I require Splitsy's
Expertise? Technical experience?
screwdriver, actually.
This is the final indignity.
Nope. That is. I think we're both out of a job.
No! The anti-thermian is destroyed. Oh, fine. No, hello. How was your day? After slaving all day over a hot transistor, this is the thanks I get.
Hey, Gore, you sure?
Captain, Gore is not with us.
Gore, where are you?
I'm collecting some fascinating data, Captain. The reversal of polarity has had a causal effect on the atomic structure of the...
Never mind that, mister. Get your gorilla butt in here on the double.
But, Captain, in a moment I will have calculated how to extrapolate graviluminous orbifolding positrons from simple tap water.
Welly, welly, well, well. All is not lost. I must have that gorilla's brain. He won't be needing it much longer.
Okay, crew complete. Let's get off this rock pile ASAP.
You're not going anywhere, my little monkeys. Nice brain, nice brain. Here's where my earlier plan pays off. How many times have I told you children to put away your toys?
Damage report.
The anti-plasma missiles pierced our shields and immobilized our thrusters.
We're stewed, blued, and tattooed.
Who says there's nothing good on TV?
Greetings, fleshopods! Thanks to Leviathan, your ship is useless. I could destroy you if I had a mind to, but I'm feeling particularly generous. I want only one small thing from you. I want the gorilla's brain!
Forget it, Rhesus. He's using it.
Very well then, I've been polite. Now I will be slightly more forceful.
Okay, that's it. No more Mr. Nice Chimp. Shaolin, you and I are gonna pay Brain Boy a visit. Spider, keep it calmly. Splitsy, get working on repairs. Gore, you're in charge.
Captain, it may not be wise to leave Gore in command. I have calculated that his intelligence has increased 1,000-fold since his cerebral enhancement. He's almost too smart.
Are you sure you're not feeling a teensy-weensy bit jealous, Doc?
I? Don't be absurd.
I, too, am worried about Gore, Captain. He seems detached from his true self.
We'll discuss philosophy later. Right now, we've got work to do.
He's too strong for us, Captain.
Roger that. We need reinforcements and fast.
That does it. We need Goremongers. Gore, buddy, you gotta get mad or we'll end up as the main course at Nebula's Monkey Barbecue.
That really is of no importance. Life and death are just ephemeral concepts. I am about to quantify reality. I have pierced the veil of the infinite.
Well, zippity-flippin'-doo-dah.
He's past mere emotion, Spider. His mind is so far beyond ours that I cannot even imagine what is happening within it.
Well, it's a good thing Rhesus wants your brain and not your heart, because it don't look like you got one.
Dr. Splits, I require your assistance.
No, sirree, Bob. We've been down this dang road before, Sonny Jim.
Please, this time I really do need your help.
It's over for you now, Simian. And once Nebula has that big ape's brain, it's over for everyone. Leviathan, get rid of him! I don't have a good feeling about this.
Cool, huh? If you're a good boy, I might teach you how to rock the baby.
I like yo-yos.
They're getting away! I will have that brain!
Report damage status.
Repairs are incomplete, Captain.
But what the heck? Give her some gas.
Initiate departure. Now!
Captain, Leviathan will overtake us in mere seconds.
Unless... Primate stations! On my mark. Jungle Blue Monkey 12. Execute.
This is your fault! Bad brain! Bad brain!
Nice buzzing, cousin.
You see, Gore's intellect was keeping him from getting involved with our problems.
If I felt no anger, I could not help my friends.
Dr. Livingston, I presume?
So Gore built this synapticon, into which he could download his excessive brain power. I now return it to him so that he may once again scale the intellectual heights.
Do not do it, Gore.
Yeah, unless you can get just smart enough to tell me the odds of doubling down on a Kreblik wheel.
Oops. I only wanted to be as smart as the rest of you.
You always were, Gore. Jungle Blue Monkey 12 went off without a hitch.
Sometimes you must go a long way to find out something you already knew.
I am not a genius, but I know it is important to have friends. And I know you never double down on a Kreblik wheel.
I knew that. Really. I mean, who doesn't know that?